He doesn't have streamlining like we do. He doesn't have a dog like me. Bark. Help me. Yes, it is time. It has been nearly 2 months since I bought an engine, and now today is the time. I haven't bought one recently, all because of I had to do payments for my car. Well, not payments, but I have to get my car repaired for one, and now I'm trying to build a mailbox to when I buy these engines or rolling stock or whatever. So yeah, there's that. But anywho, let's get into this. I have been dying to get a new engine, and I just finally said, right, I'm gonna get a new one. I can't wait any longer. So yeah, hopefully I'll be gentle opening this thing. Oh yeah. Alright. The lid's finally open, so here we go. Sorry for the cut there. There was an address paper. I'll keep that in a safe place. There we go. Now let's get to this. Alrighty. Get the box out of the way. And here we go. It's actually pretty heavy. Wow. Alright, now let's get to the unboxing. Alright, here we go. Let's get into this. Take the lid off. It's behind this protective foam. And it's behind this thing. Ooh. Nice. I know the running number is going to be annoying to everybody. I know the Niagaras didn't have a running number like that, but hey, it doesn't bother me. Let's get the tender out. Oh my god. This is a tight fit. Okay. There we go. Very big tenders. Probably the biggest tender I've ever seen, if you ask me. I know what you're all thinking. Get a Union Pacific engine. Yeah, I know the Union Pacific Centipede tender will be bigger than this. So I'm just gonna say that for now. Wow, it's so nice. He did say it was brand new, I'm guessing. Excuse me. Alright. Put that down. Now get the engine out. Oh my god. It's a really, really tight fit. It's going to be so hard to get out. Oh my god. Bear with me. Come on. There we go. Wow. Let's get that in focus. This thing is so heavy. I'm not even joking. It's like the back has more weight to it, or where the firebox is has more weight to it. It just feels like it just wants to tilt downwards, you know. But hey, it looks like the motor is in here, and I think that's what gives it the more weight of all it could be, or it could be the extra weights that this thing was given. But yeah. Anyways, this is the Niagara. It's so awesome. Alright, put that there. Let's look in here. I'm guessing this is the coupler and the smoke fluid. Also the elephant ears. Yes, the elephant ears. Okay. So here's the elephant ears. Will I be putting these on? Well, since this is the Niagara and they were very famous for having these, I'll probably put them on. But I have a feeling they're going to be too difficult. So I may or may not put them on during the filming of this video. If I don't, I deeply apologize, because I have been hearing stories about sometimes smoke deflectors or elephant ears being really hard to put on. But I'll probably put them on, but I'll probably have to do it off camera, so please bear with me on that. So there's that, and I guess this is a coupler. Yes, it is. This is a coupler, easy made coupler. So this will go to the back of the tender. I'll be putting that on as well. And a bottle of smoke fluid. Now, this is brand new, and I already got a bottle somewhere around here. I know where it is. I'll probably put some smoke in this thing later on, but yeah, that is a Niagara. So right now I'm going to be putting this box away, and I'll probably be putting on the smoke deflectors and the knuckle coupler on off camera, so that way you won't have to watch me fiddle around with it. But yeah, or maybe I'll do a time lapse if I do it, who knows. But Yeah, I guess I'll do a time lapse. Why not? All right, here we go. I'm gonna put the box away first. Well, actually, I'm gonna take these out. Yeah, I'll decide. I'll put the elephant ears on because I have a feeling all of you are gonna be mad at me if I don't, because I know these guys are very famous for having them. So yeah. But before I do, I'm gonna show a clip of the engine and tender together. So give me a sec to put my camera on the little stand. I'll be right back. Also, come to think of it, I do kind of want to see if the engine actually does at least run before I do any of that. So he said it was brand new. This is the first time it's ever ran, and it looks like I don't see any track marks in the wheels, so that's pretty good. That's a good sign. If I can get this on, okay. Okay. Whoop, it's still not on the track properly. All right, so there's the locomotive, and I'll put the tender on with it. There we go, the tender is on. Wow, just look at that. Even without the smoke deflectors, you gotta admit, this thing is just awesome. But I will put them on, I promise. I just want to see if this thing at least runs. Okay, so here's forwards. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it moves. Wow. It's kind of got that grinding sound to it, but I think it just needs a lubrication since he did say it was brand new. Hopefully that will be fixed with oil. Yeah, see? Probably need some running time too. Yeah. Well, at least it works. So, give me a bit to lubricate this thing or put the elephant ears on, and I'll get back to you guys. I'll be right back. Alright, I just filmed the time lapse of me putting the smoke deflectors on and the coupler behind the tender on. And I hope it'll get through. I hope you will be able to see it. But for now let's see if we can run this engine with the smoke deflectors. Oh, nope. Front truck ain't on. There we go. Still not on. Really? Okay, now let's see. It's running pretty good. Yeah, it probably will need some lubrication, will it? I'm hoping it will. At least that's what I hope. Yeah. Well, let's see if I can get it open, see if I can lubricate it, because I didn't do that when I tried to put the smoke deflectors on. Okay, she's been running for a fair bit, and I did lubricate her. I did finally get the body open, and I put some oil on the worm gear and the motor, and the axles and the moving parts. I did oil as much of the moving parts as possible, and I did bring it up to a tiny bit higher speed, and it's running really good. I think when you get to lower speeds, you can still hear that small grinding noise that the motor makes. In the flash, it's not that noticeable, but I'm sure the camera will pick it up. Oh, actually, you can't hear it no more. Oh, I can't. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I can't hear it. But yeah, it probably just needs some running time. So I might let it do that for a little bit. And hopefully by the end of this video, we might see it smoke. I'll put some smoke fluid in. Well, maybe not for... I probably won't do it for this video because I've got to get this engine running around for a bit to get used to running because it is brand new. So, yeah. But all in all, I am very happy with this engine. Very, very happy. I wonder if Hudson's can say hi to his cousin. Doesn't look like it. How about Empire? Will Empire say hi to his cousin? Nope, doesn't look like it either. Alright, so the Niagara has been running a fair bit now, and it's already gotten smoother. Sorta. Just, it's got that can motor, which I heard is really good. But yeah, that's as smooth as it gets. It's really good. Now, since this thing smokes, let's see if I can pour some smoke fluid in. I won't overfill it, so let's see if I can do this. Okay, that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's 3 drops, so that's enough. Now, let's run it around. Let's see if we get smoke. Hopefully this will work. Since that has been running a fair good bit, the element should be warming up. I might have to give it a bit though. I can see smoke. It just happened when I said give it a bit. Well, I can sort of see it. Don't think the camera can pick it up, but I can see it. Oh, saw a pop there. Kinda don't like it when the elements pop. Okay, I just heard a massive pop. I really don't like it when the elements pop like that. I might have to give the engine a wipe down too. Even though it is smoking, I don't want to overdo it just so I can get you a good smoke effect. So yeah, sorry about that guys, but it does work. It really does work. I just don't want to overdo it. See if I can get it real good. There we go, see? You can just see it. It's not as effective on camera, but hey, it works. And I really don't want to overdo it like I said. So, I'll probably leave it alone for a while until I decide to use it again. But yeah, overall I'm very happy with this. So, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.